Yo, in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to learn JavaScript programming language really fast.
Go fast, okay?
Okay, the first step is learn fundamentals. If you nothing know about JavaScript programming, you can learn JavaScript programming from learning fundamentals from free, or you can invest some money on online courses. You can learn JavaScript codes on freecodecamp.com, W3 School. Those are very really amazing, supplying free resources who like to learn any language. So if you're absolute beginner, you start from there. First of all, learn the basic stuff and go on. If you have some money to invest on online courses, then you can go with Udemy, Coursera, and Udacity, lot more. So I personally recommend the Udemy is the one of the best online course provider for low price. The quality of content is very good, so just try the Udemy. It's really amazing. Next step for increase your programming learning curve is practicing coding with code wars. When you come to coding, did you feel something like struggling? Or how can I use this code? Or something like how to use callback function, where can I use asynchronous or this is asynchronous. Lot of stuffs you feel. So this step for you. If you do it this better way, I think you can optimize this, because a lot of beginners doing the wrong thing is after they are learning the basics, they straight move to the real life projects. Then and that moment they feel I'm not skillful or I'm not suitable for this stuff, so I'm drop out. So that's not the case. The case is you didn't practice much, so you want to do it, go to the Google and search Codewars, CODEWARS, then go to the website, create an account, and then choose your program language as JavaScript. Then you will find out a lot of questions and problems. Go start from 7KY or 6KYU. That's really easy for beginners. After you completing step by step, you can move into the advanced level of JavaScript codings. So that's the worksheet of Codeforce. If you any free time, you can go into Codeforce, solve some problems. That's pretty nice, no? So start from there. Now we go on to the last but not least step is real life projects. Someone can ask why I need to create projects for increasing my JavaScript learning. The solution is my answer was, when you come to create projects, you feel extreme struggling. You don't know how to use the concepts and theories into the practical life. The most beginners do is they're missing out. So you can start like that. When you come to weather apps, go just first of all type some codes. Then you feel, how can I use this? How to get APIs to my project? So what I want to do, go to Google or YouTube, search something. It's not a problem, it's not an issue, because everyone is studying like that from the other people's. So that's the way of learning. So it's not a bad thing. Then go to the ChatGPT. It's really amazing. And Bard AI, go then try out some help, get help from there. And yeah, if you do some 2 to 3 months, you feel something like, wow, I can build this app, I can build this, why I can't something like new thing. Go to the startup, your memory power is improved, your skill is become more sharp. So finally you will become a full stack developer with the power of JavaScript programming language. Just a couple of months. I think this is the end of the video. If you like this video, please subscribe. Until then, see you in another video. Bye bye. Tata.